Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use aggregate with count a function in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data including the text, numbers and blank cell. So the count a function counts the number of non-empty cell in a range including the numbers, text and other values, but it does not count the empty cell. So first I'm going to use here the count a function. Simply select the cell used is equal to and enter the count a and the select a range of data. Okay, bracket closed and enter. Total 18 count get here. Okay, I just select here this data and you can see here the count of 15 and above is 3, total 18 count. It's mean the blank cell is not considered here. Okay, suppose I hide some rows. Suppose I select the 6 to 10 row number and right click of the mouse and click on the hide. The count is not changed accordingly. Hide the data, but in aggregate, the count will change accordingly. Hide the data. When you use the aggregate plus count a function, the data count is changed accordingly. Hide the data. So let's see how it's done. So I use here the control Z to undo the actions, and I remove this formula and use the is equal to, and now I use aggregate. Okay. In aggregate, select the function here. Here I'm going to use count A. So count A is a 3 number. So I select count A, the third number functions. Then use the comma. Then here select the 5 number, ignore hidden rows. Okay. Then use the comma. Then select the range of data and bracket closed and enter. That's it. The same as the count is get 18. Now I hide some rows 6 to 10. I select here rows, right click of the mouse and click on the hide. Here you can see the total count is 13. It means the visible text and numbers count here get. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.